Hey Norm, so second thing I want you to do is on the actual black belt system funnel that we've done. So we've got obviously the beginners Facebook crash course. So this form here on this page, this one here, this form here needs to go into ActiveCampaign. So create a new list in ActiveCampaign and connect this form up to it. In HubSpot we had set up the emails as well, I'm pretty sure. Yep, here it is here. So these two, whatever they're connected to, move these workflows over into ActiveCampaign as well. So connect this the form here after ActiveCampaign and move over any email automation that is set up currently in HubSpot over to ActiveCampaign. The next thing is, so with this funnel, once people opted in here, if you don't remember, we sent them to a one-time offer upsell page for the black belt system. So we were sending them to this page here. I'm going to scrap this. I'm going to get rid of this page, and we're going to direct people straight over to another Tripwire product. So this is the actual Tripwire product that I'm working on at the moment. So I'm going to, obviously this is just a template, we're going to build this out. So we're going to direct people straight over here. If they want to upgrade, they should go to this second step, which is the form here. You'll find that funnel here. It's just called the $27 or $57 plug and play Tripwire product. So this one here. So 2 steps there. I'm going to give you copy to change that, but in the meantime, can you change the colors on this? Get rid of the pink, match it up with the oranges that we got here, and just make the color and the font all the same. And the order form on the step 2, this form here needs to go into a separate list, a new separate list in ActiveCampaign as well. So if you can create those 2 new lists and connect them up to, the first one will be the free course, and move over the existing HubSpot workflows that we've set up into ActiveCampaign. And then step 2 is the second form for the plug and play package. So move this over as well and change the colors in this funnel. This funnel here, the $57 plug and play Tripwire product. Just change the fonts and the colors to match up with the beginner's crash course guide. So how this is going to work is this will be just a Tripwire product. I'm building this out at the moment. This is what I've kind of started here. I will add you into this thread. I'll put this is where I'm loading the task, so you'll be able to see what I'm building out. And just to give you an idea, the free course is obviously the free course membership portal that you helped me set up. Now the Tripwire product is going to be a cheaper product, a cheaper paid product that is also going to be accessed through the same area. So you can see here the Tripwire purchases. So this would all be restricted unless someone buys this product here. So I'm still working on all these pages. I'm setting them up, so you don't need to worry too much about that. I just need your help with connecting everything up, integrating it all, and changing around the copy and the content. So I'll write all the content out for you. I can shoot it over to you, but work through that. If you can connect up these forms, that would be amazing. Thank you.